How to fix Ghost Touch on Android device. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are experiencing Ghost Touch issues on your Android device where your phone starts reacting to touches you haven't made, then this video is for you. Today we are going to walk through some simple and effective solutions to fix Ghost Touch on Android devices. Let's get started. Step 1. Clean your screen. Sometimes dirt, dust, or moisture can cause ghost touches. Use a soft, dry cloth to gently wipe the screen. Avoid using harsh chemicals as they can damage the screen. Step 2. Remove screen protector. If you are using a screen protector, try removing it. Screen protectors can sometimes interfere with the touch sensitivity of your device. After removing it, check if the Ghost Touch issue persists. Step 3. Remove your phone case. Step 3 is to check your faulty accessories. If you are using a case or any other accessories, remove it and see if the problem continues. Some accessories might put pressure on the screen or interfere with the touch sensors. Step 4. Restart your device. A simple reboot can often fix many issues, including Ghost Touch. Press and hold the power button, then select Restart from the menu. Once your device restarts, check if the issue is resolved. Step 5. Update your software. Make sure your software is up to date. Manufacturers often release updates that fix bugs and improve performance. Go to Settings, scroll down to System, and select Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Step 6. Seek professional help. Finally, if the Ghost Touch issue still isn't fixed, it might be a hardware problem. In this case, it's best to seek professional help. Visit an authorized service center or contact your device manufacturer for support. That's all for today's video. I hope these steps helped you fix the Ghost Touch issue on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or other tips, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.